We will now look at a set of application problems. For these particular problems, it is very helpful to set up some type of equation to solve these problems. There's no magic way to do it, but the best thing I can tell you is to try to find an example that we've done in the videos and then model the problem that you are working out after one of the examples that we have looked at. This example states that Ryan, a consumer electronics salesperson, earns a base salary of $1,800 per month and a commission of 6% on the amount of sales he makes. One month, Ryan receives a paycheck of $2,178. Find the amount of his sales for the month. The key in this type of problem is to assign one variable and let it be the thing that you know nothing about. This particular equation, you know nothing about the amount of sales. This is actually what this question is asking for. So we're going to let S equal the amount of sales for that particular month. Now, we can use what I would call a common sense type of equation to start our problem. We know that his paycheck total would equal the base salary of $1,800 plus 6%, change 6% to a decimal, 0.06, times however much the sales are. This month, we know that his paycheck total was $2,178. We'll leave the rest of the equation as it is. And we see that this particular equation would now allow us to solve for the unknown variable S, which is actually what the question's asking for. It wants to know the amount of sales. So in this situation, we will subtract over the $1,800. Since the S that we're wanting to solve for is on the right-hand side of our equation, we want to move the numbers and the values away from the right-hand side. On our calculator, we can do the 2,178 minus the 1,800. That will result in 378. The 1800s cancel. We're left with 0.06 times S. We would then want to divide out the 0.06. We'll also do that on the calculator. A trick here, we have just received as an answer 378. To make a shortcut to be able to divide by the 0.06 easily, we can do second, the negative sign, which is basically second answer, and then divide by 0.06, and that results in S equals 6,300. Now, if you have an application problem as your end statement, you want to make sure that you write the statement out and put the proper units on the answer. So I would say here, the amount of sales for the month was $6,300.